Hi, it's Elena, the local history and genealogy librarian here at the Chatham Area Public Library. I just wanted to share a few of our most recent donations and kind of show you why we have enjoyed them and why we think it's important to put into our collection. I want to remind people that we are a repository for a place to donate the local history items that they might think about disposing of. So here you can kind of see a few of the items that we have. One of the most recent items that we have is a tally from our Standard Oil station here in town from the 1940s. It's important to have here at the library. We are one of those places and only places in town that saves that history as well as saving those memories. If there's something that you are thinking about donating to the library, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm happy to talk with you about anything that you might have and to see if it is something that we would like to include in our collection. So thank you very much, and we are looking so forward to seeing what local history you can provide to the library.